How to buy Pasternak, bin Pasternak Token Clout. Me Crypto Coin How to buy SOLANA MEXC Global Bank Blockchain. What's up, everybody? Helper Dog here. Today, we're diving into the Pasternak Token. This is a brand new token that just got major centralized exchange listings, and it's making waves in the crypto space. In this video, I'll walk you through all the key details about the token, how you can get it, and everything else you need to know. But first, just a quick disclaimer. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. Everything I share in this video is strictly for informational purposes. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially in crypto, as the market can be extremely volatile. What is the Pasternak Token? The Pasternak Token, sometimes referred to as bin Pasternak, is a Solana-based token that is starting to gain a lot of attention. It just had a community takeover, and this token is already making its mark. One of the biggest reasons for the hype around this token is that it just received two big centralized exchange listings today, January 24th, 2025. This is huge for any token, especially one that's still relatively new in the market. Key token information: token name, Pasternak, ticker symbol, Pastor, blockchain, Solana, total supply, 999,999,734 tokens with a deflationary model. Transaction fee, 2% transfer fee. This is relatively rare for Solana tokens, but it's important to note. Decimal places, 9 decimal places. Price, approximately $4.63. Note: this price will fluctuate with market conditions. Market cap, $46,365,566, which is significant for a newer token. Holders, over 11,562 holders already. Trading volume, $10.6 million in the past 24 hours. The token's relatively low supply and 2% transaction fee are key features that make this token stand out, as many tokens these days don't have transaction fees. Centralized exchange listings. As of today, Pasternak is listed on two major centralized exchanges. LBANK, listed on January 24th at 8 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. MEXC Global, also listed today, and they're offering perpetual futures trading for this token. If you want to get this token quickly, you can create an account on either of these platforms, fund your account, and buy Pasternak directly. How to buy Pasternak token? If you don't have an account with either LBANK or MEXC Global, here's a quick guide on how you can buy Pasternak. Option 1. Buying via MEXC Global. Sign up for MEXC Global. Use the referral code in the description box if you want to get some benefits, free rewards, etc. Fund your account. Deposit USDT, Tether, into your MEXC account. Search for Pasternak. In the MEXC Global Trade section, simply search for Pasternak or the ticker symbol Pastor. Buy the token. Once you find the token, you can buy it directly. Make sure to check the current price before making a purchase. Option 2. Buying via LBANK. Sign up for LBANK. If you prefer LBANK, you can sign up on their platform. Deposit funds. Deposit USDT into your LBANK account. Search for the token. Look up Pasternak, Pastor, in the trading section. Buy the token. Once you've found it, buy the token directly. Option 3. Decentralized purchase via Radium. Get a wallet. To buy Pasternak on Radium, you'll need a Solana-compatible wallet like Phantom Wallet, Solflare Wallet, or MetaMask. Fund the wallet. Deposit Solana, into your wallet from a centralized exchange. Go to Radium. Use the Radium DX to find the Pasternak token by using the contract address. Be sure to get the correct address from a trusted source. Swap SOL for Pasternak. On Radium, you can trade your SOL for Pasternak. Token features. Deflationary model. Pasternak started with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, but it's deflationary, meaning the total supply will gradually decrease. Liquidity pool. There's currently a $1 million liquidity pool on Radium, and over 99% of that liquidity is locked and burned. This is great for token security and long-term value. Decentralized exchanges. You can also trade on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Radium and Jupiter. Community and social media. Pasternak has an active and growing community, with over 11,500 holders. You can also stay up to date on the latest developments through there. Twitter, official updates and announcements. Telegram. Join the conversation with other token holders and get updates directly from the team. The community takeover was officially claimed on January 23rd, and it's growing fast as more people get involved. Conclusion. The Pasternak token is definitely a token to keep an eye on. It's got strong centralized exchange listings, a solid market cap, and an active community. If you're interested in investing, you can get it through MEXC Global, LBANK, or Radium. If you think this token has potential, go ahead and get involved. But, as always, do your research and understand the risks, especially with a transaction fee involved. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about Pasternak? Do you think it has long-term potential, or is it just a hype token? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for daily crypto updates, and hit the bell to get notified about the newest coins and tokens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day out there, and peace out.